Okay, so I am here to show you how I use the ACCA Study Hub to get 64% in financial reporting. Okay, so my name is Michael and I'm here to show you. So you open your Google or your browser. So when you open the browser, you just go into the search engine and type ACCA Study Hub. The ACCA Study Hub. The first link that appears, you just click on that link. So just direct you. You scroll down to log in to the ACCA Study Hub. Log in to the ACCA Study Hub. You click on it, and here you key in your credentials. That's your username. That is your ACCA ID. Then your password. Then you sign in. It will automatically direct you to the Study Hub. And this is mostly for Africans, but they are now doing a new one which the whole world can access. So you sign in with your credentials and you just press sign in, and you wait until it finish loading. So you wait until it finish loading. Then I'll show you how I use, or I will navigate and show you how I use to get 64% in my financial reporting. I started in September 2022 and I had 64%. So when it opens, it comes in a form of this one. So here are all the ACCA courses. Here are all the ACCA courses. So depending on the paper that you are sitting, you just click on it. So here you are setting financial reporting. So you scroll down, you see financial reporting, you see active. You click on it, then you click on go to exam over here. It will open the portal for you so that you can study the financial reporting. So as it finishes loading, we have pages, or we have chapters, we have quizzes, and we have practice. I'll show you how to use all of these items. So when it opens, the first side here is for the slides or the chapters. You can read through. We have the conceptual framework, so you can read through. We have the purpose. So after reading, you just rate your confidence. So if it is high or medium, or let's say high, you just continue to the next chapter. So chapter 1.2, principles versus rules. So you read, you rate your confidence high, you continue, if and only if you are willing to read everything. And we also have flashcard. These are keywords that have been explained. So here we have materiality. So we click on the materiality and the meaning of materiality will come. So information is material if its omission or misstatement could influence. So you click the next, they give you prudence. You click on the prudence, then the meaning will come. Now we have quizzes. We have quizzes over here that it marks after you are done. So let's say chapter 1. Let's say chapter 1. You want to start all over again. Here I've done it, so I need to reset it. So let's say chapter 1. You start the quiz here. So after answering the questions, after choosing your answers, answering the questions, that's 1 to 5, they mark you. So this is how much I got. I had 60%. So you review and they show you the answers. So this answer can be found in this chapter. You go to the next. This is the correct answer, A. After that, you are done reviewing. Then you go back and you continue for all the chapters. But how I used this study hub to get the 64%, my main focus was on the practice session. That's the last session of the study hub, this session. That was my main focus. I solved each and every question that is here. Every question that is here is having both section A, section B, and section C. So here we have OT revision questions, that is objective test revision questions. So when you scroll down, you are going to have OT revision cases, that is objective text revision cases. So the OT revision questions are for section A, and the OT revision cases are for section B. And now you have constructed response that are for section C. But this section C, they are all in the Kaplan and BPP, so you don't need to bother. But the questions over here, that's the section A, cannot be found in the exam kit. So what you need to do is to really solve these questions, and at some point you need to memorize some of the answers, because you may not know how to you may not know how to answer these questions. So let's take borrowing cost for example. So we start practice over here. Now we solve the questions. After solving the question, after each question, the answer automatically comes. So let's say question 2, you choose C. After choosing C, when you confirm it, the next page that comes is the answer. So whether you are correct or wrong, it will show you. So in this case, I am wrong. So the correct answer is D. You review your answer, then you continue to the next stage. Question 3, let's choose D, let's choose A, let's choose C. Confirm, which is wrong. So the correct answers are A, B, D. You read and understand. Continue. Let's choose C. Confirm. The correct answer is A. Why A? An entity must be consistent year on year in its treatment of borrowing cost. Correct. Continue. You key in your answer. Confirm. No, you are wrong. This is how they got the answer. You study the answers and know how. Then you continue. For all of the sessions, from the OT to the revision cases, and here are how the revision cases are. Let me reset it so that you know it very well. So I used this study hub and I had 64%. So here is how it is. So the question 1, just like the exam format, you read the question and you do your answer. D. Confirm, it is wrong, it is A. You go downwards, you review the answer. So this is the answer. Okay, let's continue, and so on and so forth. After that, done practicing. Do it over and over again till you get to the examination period. I will also teach on how to use the practice platform to solve a full exam question. But here is how to use the ACCA Study Hub. I used it and I had 74%. I used the ACCA Study Hub and I had 64%. So solve all the questions under the practice section. They are very important. They are very, very important. Thank you.